If you want to permanently delete your YouTube Music account, follow these steps to ensure that your account and all associated data are removed. Step 1. Sign into YouTube Music. Go to the YouTube Music website or open the app and sign in with the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Membership section. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership or Premium section. This is where you can manage your subscription and account details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. If you have a YouTube Music Premium subscription, you need to cancel it first. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription, ensuring that it is no longer active. Step 5. Delete your account. After canceling your subscription, return to the account settings. Look for the option to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided to confirm the deletion of your YouTube Music account permanently. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube Music account will be deleted and you will lose access to all your playlists and saved music. Make sure you have backed up any important data before proceeding.